If you've got a traditional Pontiac engine, you're looking to increase the power, but you want to keep it under the stock hood, this is the perfect combination. I'm David Butler with Butler Performance. I'm here with a great new product from Edelbrock, something we're really excited about. The new Pontiac Victor Jr. manifold for traditional Pontiac engines. Some features we really like about this intake. First, it's offered in both a multi-port ready EFI version and also a carbureted version. So that saves an expensive and time-consuming EFI conversion if it wasn't offered already machined for the multi-port system. So we really like that, and it's a time and money saver for the end user. The other really important thing about this intake is it has the same carb pad height and angle as a Performer RPM. So many customers want to keep a stock hood, a flat hood, no hood scoop, which allows us to run stock hoods or stock shaker on the Bandit Trans Ams that are so popular these days with just the simple use of a drop base air cleaner. So that's a huge benefit, yet we have flow characteristics of the Victor intake, the higher rise Victor intake, so support higher RPM and higher horsepower, as well as larger cubic inch engines. Where that's important in two areas. The Edelbrock cylinder head, Performer RPM cylinder head for the Pontiac, flows really well out of the box, but then we raise the ports with our CNC porting program. So once we raise these ports, we gain flow for the guys that are looking for as much power as possible. And now with the new Victor Jr. from Edelbrock, we have enough material to port the intake to match this head. We have made close to 700 horsepower already in early testing with the new Victor Jr. intake on street Pontiac engines. So we've had a need for an intake that flows well, makes big power, and fits even larger cubic inch Pontiac engines, yet still fit under the stock hoods for the guys that want to keep flat hoods on their car. The Victor Jr. fills that need and still have the performance that our customers are looking for.